In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use corn caps. So in this pack you can see there are 4 medicated corn plaster strips which contains powerful ointment that removes the corn. These are unique, skin-friendly, fiber-free cap and it provides extrication to relieve pressure. There is powerful ointment containing salicylic acid which removes the corn. Also, if you read the caution part, it should not be used by diabetics and also should not be used if the skin is inflamed or broken. Corn caps should not be used for any other purpose. Inside this, it comes with directions for use. First step is that you have to clean and dry the area surrounding the corn so that you can stick the strip firmly to the skin. Now I will show you how to use this. This patch contains salicylic acid, which, when used regularly, removes dead cells from the outer layer of the skin and steadily reduces the size of the corn. Redness, rash, or itching are the common side effects of this patch, although not everybody gets the side effect. Now when you remove this, you can see that inside there is the part where there is salicylic acid, the ointment, which you just have to apply over the corn. You can remove it after 24 hours.